everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be reading the book called The Night Before Father's Day. This book is by Natasha and illustrated by Amy Wimmer. Let's get started. The Night Before Father's Day. It was the night before Father's Day, and while Dad rode his bike, we raced to the garage. Mom, me, and Mike. We tossed tons of junk. Mom picked up stray nails. We stacked towers of paint cans and white plastic pails. On hooks, we hung cords, hoses, and wires. Mom put away ladders and bicycle tires. We swept out the cobwebs and scrubbed up oil spills. Set up Dad's hammers, screwdrivers, and drills. After washing the car, we polished it up. Then inside, we left Dad a new to-go coffee cup. Mom eyed the dipstick. Yep, it's a quart low. So she poured in more oil. Now it's ready to go. Exhausted, we nestled all snug in our beds while visions of Father's Day danced in our heads. The next morning, we let Dad sleep in extra late, then served him bacon and eggs on a man-sized plate. Happy Father's Day, we shouted and gave him our card. He laughed when he read it, so did Mom, just as hard. Now get ready, Dad, for the biggest surprise. They're right, so Mom, you won't believe your eyes. We blindfolded Dad and led him outside. Look what we did, we said, beaming with pride. When what to his wondering eyes should appear but a man's dream garage, Dad smiled ear to ear. His tools also handy, his workbench so clean, it was the neatest garage that he ever seen. Guess what, Dad, I said, there's still one more treat. Right on cue, Mom backed his car out onto the street. Wow, Dad exclaimed, look at that shine. Who would ever guess that this car's really mine? Hopped in, he said, so we all piled inside. We're going for a long Sunday ride. Dad honked the horn twice as we all drove away. Thank you, he said, for the best Father's Day. So I hope you enjoy this book. And during Father's Day, maybe you do something good for your father or your grandfather or someone that acts like your father for you. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe, and thank you.